Hi guys, how are you? I'm recording this video to tell you the whole truth about MyShedPlans, if it works, if it's good, if MyShedPlans is worth it, if it delivers what it promises. I also need to share some very important information with you guys that are wanting to buy MyShedPlans, so watch this video until the end very carefully. I'm sure that this MyShedPlans review will help you. MyShedPlans Real Review. What is MyShedPlans? MyShedPlans is a program designed to help people build various wooden furniture from scratch, step by step, to help beginners and professionals alike to expand, refine and master their craft. It's a comprehensive program that comes with 12,000 detailed woodworking plans that show exactly what to do and what is needed to build a variety of wooden furniture. Does MyShedPlans work? Is it worth it? Yes guys. MyShedPlans is a program with an affordable price that really worth it and delivers what it promises. All plans have detailed step-by-step instructions that are easy to follow. And each plan has a complete and precise materials and cutting lists, dimensional drawings and views of all angles and detail. So you know exactly what you need to start building. That way you don't need to have experience to start building your own furniture. You can be an amateur and still build whatever you like with the help of MyShedPlans guide. The detailed instructions with the pictures help you move your hands and tools to build the furniture. MyShedPlans money-back guarantee. The creator of MyShedPlans also gives you a 60-day money-back guarantee, so if you buy it and you don't get satisfied, or if you don't like the content for any reason, just send an email to the support team and they will refund all your money. That way you don't take any risk for trying. MyShedPlans review final words. And that was the video, my honest review about MyShedPlans. I really hope to have helped you with this information. MyShedPlans is a product that really works. It really delivers what it promises, teaches in detail how to build thousands of wooden furniture in a practical and simple way, with detailed step-by-step instructions. And if this video has helped you, I ask that you leave your like. Thanks for your attention and see you guys.